Hey guys, so let's have a really good conversation, which is about your first steps when it comes down to home buying. Now, I get it. Buying a property can be very, very stressful. It can be very, very confusing. And most first-time home buyers kind of feel like, where do I go? Where do I start? Who do I talk to? Where's my first step? Who can I trust, right? Those are a lot of questions that you guys have coming once you're ready to purchase a property. So let me try to answer some of those questions for you here in this video. Number one, if you're looking to purchase a property, your very, very first step is to consult with a realtor, okay? Either a realtor or a lender. I personally recommend that you consult with a realtor first. And I don't say this because I am a realtor. I say consult with a realtor first because most realtors have a network of lenders that they can refer you to that can help you do the loan application. If you don't really feel comfortable with using one of the realtors' lender partners, then you can always do a loan application with your primary banking institution. What I typically tell my clients is that once you reach out to me, I'll give you 2 to 3 referrals, and then I'll also let you know if you feel comfortable, reach out to your institution as well, okay? So 1, contact a realtor. 2, do the loan application with the lender. Now, I understand that this is probably one of the most scary parts out there, right? And if you think that that's scary, let me know, right? One of the most scary parts out there, because you're like, hey, what is the lender going to say? How much money will I need? What if I get a denial? What if they tell me no? What if they tell me not right now? What if they tell me I qualify for too much and the amount is kind of overwhelming? You have all of these questions that's associated with it and all of these fears, which is fine, but you cannot skip this part, okay? All in all, you still have to do the loan application. So this is the part that is most vital and it cannot be surpassed. You have to do it. It's only going to take around about 15 minutes in order for you to get it done. Okay. So you do the loan application. Once you do that loan application, depending upon the lender that you are working with, the lender will be able to let you know if you're able to be approved, or if they have to do some things on your credit or in your financial profile in order to grant you that approval, okay? Most lenders will not automatically just say, hey, you're denied, right? They'll say, hey, I cannot approve you right now, but here's what I need to do in order to get you that approval. However, you won't know what that is unless you do the loan application. So keep in mind that you cannot go home shopping and looking for properties if you don't do the loan application and have a pre-approval. Because once you do that loan application, you guys, the lender will then issue you a pre-approval as long as you are able to be qualified. That pre-approval will then answer the remaining questions that you have. Well, how much am I qualified for? How much is going to be the monthly mortgage payment? How much money do I need to close out of pocket? Do I qualify for any down payment assistance programs? The loan application and the pre-approval process is the gateway to all of those questions, right? So once you do the loan application and once you're able to get pre-approved, as long as you're working with a good lender, that lender is going to tell you, hey, based upon your application, your income documents, and all of verification, you can qualify for up to $500,000. This is how much your monthly mortgage payment is going to be. If you decide that you want to use down payment assistance, here are the programs that you qualify for, okay? The lender will be able to give you all of that information. And then also keep in mind, you guys, here's a tip. If you are looking for down payment assistance programs, keep in mind that some lenders do not have access to all programs, okay? So in order for you to get access to programs, you have to use an approved lender. And this is why I say contact a realtor, a local realtor in your area, because they have connects with those people. With those lenders, if you contact a local realtor in your area, likely they'll be able to get you to a lender who has access to the countywide, statewide, or federal-wide or nationwide programs that are available to you. But not all mortgage companies have access to those programs. So if you decide to use your larger bank, let's say a banking institution such as Navy Federal has their own in-house program. So does Truist have their own in-house program. So does Bank of America have their own in-house program. So when I say in-house program, meaning that these banking companies don't have access to the state or nationwide programs. However, they have a program that's within their company, which is what I mean when I say in-house. They have a program that's within their company, in-house, that they'll be able to give you access to as long as you qualify. But if there's another program that's statewide or nationwide, they may not be able to fund or have access to that program, so that way you can take advantage of it. So that's what I have for you guys today about your very first step when it comes down to home buying, okay? Keep in mind is 1, consult with the realtor. If you're in the DC, Maryland, Virginia area, you can always speak with me. And then 2, do the loan application. I know it's scary, but you cannot skip this part. It's vital, and it will answer all the questions that you have as it relates to home buying. That's all I have for today, you guys. Make sure you guys continue to connect with me. You can follow me on Instagram at I am out there hers. You can join my join my email list. You can visit my website at outtherehers.com. You can follow me on YouTube at I am out there hers. I am out there hers literally everywhere. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Just type in out there hers or I am out there hers and you'll find me there. If you're a realtor and you're looking for coaching and you want training, then you can find me at I am the agent coach. All right, see you guys.